I don't know if you can see all the sweat. I don't know if you can see the 2 cold sores. However, this place is hopping today. We've got, well, we had lots of music going. Like, we had 3 different radios. And so I was filming, but the music was so loud and all the saws were so loud that I figured I would just do a little voiceover today because I'm like, I don't have it, like my hands are busy, my mind is busy on the kids, and so picking up a camera and putting together a vlog just really wasn't in the cards today. So here's what you get. Okay, here's sort of where we started with the door. You can see that it's just like the rough end of the sheetrock. You can see the insulation that's up there, and it's just raw. Obviously you have to cover that with crown molding. I know Joel has been putting this off because the guy that was helping him with trim is now, he's doing other things and he's not available to help Joel. So Joel is kind of on his own with trim again. So he started out on his own, then got some help in the middle, and now he's kind of going back to doing it on his own again. So I feel bad because I know he feels very overwhelmed, and it doesn't help when I'm overwhelmed. So I'm trying to like keep my cool about life in general right now because Joel cannot help me. And like, he cannot be an emotional support to me because he is trying to emotionally support himself. And he said something the other day. He said, like, I was helping him and there was a bunch of people around, and I said, it's so fun having like all these people around. He's like, and it was just the way he said it. He was like, yeah, it is really nice. And I said, so when you were here in the wintertime by yourself and it was freezing and you weren't enclosed, and he just was like, that was a very difficult time. And I'm like, Joel, you never like communicated that to me. And he's like, you saw me going to work every day. And it's weird because I watched him go to work every day, but I just didn't realize how hard that was for him. Anyway, it made me feel really grateful for him. And it made me feel kind of bad that I didn't see that in him. And so right now, where I really feel like I'm struggling, it's not that I'm trying to do it on my own. I just also understand that Joel is struggling, and that alone helps me to be a little more strong. So anyway, I'm just really grateful for Joel, and I'm grateful that this trim is up. So good for us.
Around. No, turn it around. Okay. So my mom and dad are doing the trim of the front door, and me and Boston are metal detecting. And she already found something. Well, Boston already found something. And he found...
I don't even know what it is, but I found that, and there's like...
It kind of looks like a cat to like... So you can hear the metal detector.
Something right here.
Yeah. It probably is like a can to like food.
I don't know. Yeah, there's something right here. And there's zero clue what it is.
Okay.
It's just been like going off around here, so when we set it down, it like will beep and stuff.
Yep.
I don't know.
Did you find some? I'm gonna get a drink.
Are you kidding me? My battery just... Okay, well, I'm up here editing, and the boys are downstairs. I know they came and got my camera earlier. They're metal detecting, and you know, even if they find the most random thing out there, it just doesn't even matter. They're gonna be so excited no matter what they find. And I didn't capture them earlier playing with the cows. And I shouldn't say playing, because they're not playing, but just like when the cows come up the fence on the fence right here, it is our favorite thing ever. The vlog may feel a little lackluster. However, I have been filming for my grid wall vlog. I have been filming for the hardwood vlog. So it's not that I'm not filming. It's just I'm not filming for today's video. There's some really good ones coming though.
It's always good.
Did you figure what you're gonna put in that gap?
It's already done.
Stop it. Okay, let's close the vlog by going and seeing what he's got. Okay. Also, I'll give you just a little pink. Orange. I'll give you a little orange in here. We're starting tile. So do they have to put this on the wall as well?
Nope.
Oh,
nope.
This is just the waterproofing on the floor.
You don't waterproof the floors. You just need to lay something down because when you step on it, you need your tile to sit on a good solid bed. You're never going to put weight on the walls.
Got it.
So put this bedded down.
Got it.
And then the heat will weave and it actually pinches in these.
So where does the shower glass come to?
It'll follow this perimeter.
Like, will it go on top of the orange perimeter? Will it go outside it, inside it?
Well,
you don't know.
Well, no, let me tell you real quick.
Okay.
Okay. This is called Dietrich heat board, and see how they've got it spaced for underneath your vent? It's gonna come up here, but this has to dry.
Okay.
This is like concrete.
Oh,
it has
gosh.
to dry. And then this is already waterproofing line, so it can't seam down below. Your bench is gonna come down on the waterproof. This will continue over this, so you'll have a heated shower floor and a heated bench.
And have you looked and do you approve the slope of the cement right here?
Yeah, I watched him put this in and I filmed it. And at first I was like, he's not pulling out a level. He's not pulling out a level. He's just doing it by eyeball. 2 seconds later, he pulls out a level and he sets it on there to show me, and it was dead level.
Nice.
Without him adjusting it, just his eyeballs.
Incredible, because that was my only, I'm like, okay, I feel like most tilers can get the tile down nicely, but the slope, I've seen some nasty looking slopes.
Yeah, the waterproofing it's a whole new ballpark. That's why I did not even attempt to tackle this project. Yeah,
we were going to, but then we're like, okay, what is it worth? Is it worth saving some money? Or do we hire someone that does this day in and day out and does the waterproofing to a T?
And it gives me a chance to learn it better so that when we do another project, I can really take my time and do it right.
Sure. Okay, come show me. No, we can't show him.
You can't show him?
No, it's a different video. Wait a minute. Oh, what did you do? Oh, what did you shove up there?
I just took some dimensions and ripped a piece and laid it flat, and then I tacked it in place.
Oh my gosh.
So now when they like caulk this, it won't be there. And there was already glue, so it's
oh,
nice. Nobody will ever know.
Okay, well, what was, and I like, look at the taper on that. There was a big gap between here and over here.
Just everything flexed against each other. And that's par for the course. Wood will flex one way if your
metal goes another.
Metal's flexing another way.
If the walls are not perfectly, okay, I gotta step back and show the crown. I have to cover this wall over here because that is a whole nother video. Okay. Well, I guess it doesn't look that great from like back here, but I don't know. That's a big deal. Getting the trim around the front door, it was a big deal. Did you find anything? Nothing? Aww. All that hard work? Your face is so red.
Boston found 2 things.
What did he find?
A cat and something else. Can't remember.
Oh, you look like you've worked really hard. Uh-huh. Oh my gosh. I was gonna say, I have some salad if you're hungry.
The spot where me and Lincoln were digging, like, we probably flipped the switch or something, so like every second it would beep, because when we put it down, it would it would start beeping like a lot, and then for some reason it would stop beeping for like, it stopped beeping, and then when we put it over the spot where we've been digging for like such a long time, it didn't beep anymore. So we looked all, so I like put the metal detector all around because we got it, we didn't see it and like threw it.
Yeah.
So I took around and I couldn't find it. So I just walked down the trail and look what I found. So I found like a bunch of bullet shells. And this was already what we found. And another bullet shells.
Wow. So did you have to dig for all that?
Yeah.
Wow. Were you having fun?
But now I'm like sweating in my...
Yeah, you're a sweaty, dirty mess. I know. You're covered in sweat.
When I get home, I'm taking a cold shower.
That sounds like a great idea.
What is that place?
That is my bathroom. Do you want to run up and look at it? Don't touch things when you go up there, but you can go look in my bathroom.
It's gonna be orange and stuff.
Okay, say goodbye to everybody.
Bye.
Love you.